So I think we're right on track for this year. I'm really excited about the speakers that we've nailed down. And I'm excited that we have so many leading edge people in their area, and that we have and we have one extremely strong panel, which is exciting. So from my point of view, I think everybody's going to take away something wonderful.
I agree.
this
I
year.
think it's going to be a fascinating experience to see which speakers really resonate with the audience, but there should be something for everyone here, the internal communicators, the marketers, and the PR people. So I'm expecting it's going to be a good day.
And that's one of the other things that I always appreciate about this conference is, well, A, the partnership between our organizations, and B, the wide variety of people that are able to attend and get something out of this conference.
Absolutely. I'm hoping for some out-of-towners this year. That's my other goal.
I think that would
see
be
if we can extend the reach to make it a true Northwest conference.
I think it would be just awesome. And also the conference is the premier conference in the region, so it just validates that this year, which I think is really exciting.
Yeah, I agree.
So I think we're really lucky this year to have Shell Holtz, an expert in content marketing, to talk to us about communicators and their role in all the different types of media that we have in play today, which is different than before the web and before social media. So allowing the person who is the communicator to be the hub for information and to have a seat at the table with management in making that happen.
I agree. I think he's going to really arm us with some good tools and approaches that we can take back to work immediately and put into action. I'm excited for him to speak and looking forward to hearing him on the 8th.